Greetings, my fellow game developers. I understand that a lot of you might be passionate and interested in building your games, and you might be curious on how you can get started with something like that. You're of course on this YouTube video after a plethora of videos and tutorials online that you have tried to make on your own but definitely did not work. I know it keeps happening to me as well. You need to get started with game development all the way from basics of programming, learn a lot of designing, and then build your complete game. And I'm sorry to disappoint you, but there is no easier way around it. I need to tell you that there is, of course, easier way to learn, but there is no easier way to make. Because if it was that easy to build games, don't you think all of us would start building games? Well, you might also be curious about who can then learn building games. It might be surprising. Unlike 15 to 18 years old who are probably not legal to play most of the games that they play, you can be of any age to build games because 15-year-olds have made their first millions on Roblox as a platform. And then there are 35-year-old esport trendies who are like the best in the field. There is no age limit to building games. But what will you learn when you learn to build games? Of course, we start with designing, we start with fundamentals of programming, and then you combine both of them to build your creativity in be it 2D or 3D into real games. It is a simple process to build a game, but it is a very difficult process to ideate what you want to build. The whole process in itself is a challenge, and trust me, 100% legal, 110% fun for anybody to be learning game development. It's an interesting course overall for two reasons. One, who doesn't love playing games? So who wouldn't love building something that everybody loves playing? Second, a lot of professionals that I meet daily, up to date on technical geeks, all of these online friends that I make, most of them are into gaming, and I think a lot of good developers have started their fundamentals into gaming. That's because gaming is probably the only industry where aesthetics and performance both are highly critical, which probably lays foundation to good development overall. If you are interested into something like this, if you are willing to put efforts into becoming a good game developer, then Edoxi has just the right course for you. I'm looking forward for you guys to enroll and meeting me on a hands-on session for the same.